go.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Watertown, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Waupun, Mayville, Columbus, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Theresa, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Rubicon, Lebanon, Fox Lake, Woodland, Reesville, Brownsville, and Neosho. Other landmarks included are the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the